up guys, welcome back to Ian's Gadgets. Now today I'm so humbled and privileged to unbox the Samsung front load 8kg washing machine. Let's see what we have here. Then let's just see what we have in here. So guys, as you can see, these are the controls. Super Eco Wash. You can do your beddings, daily wash, delicates, baby care, outdoor care, dark garments. You have the you can wash your cotton, synthetics, wool. Then you can rinse, you can spin, rinse. You can use eco drum clean, that kind of thing. Then here are the temperatures. You see, from 95, from 20 up to 95 degrees Celsius. You have the rinse here, 1, 2, 3, up to 5 rinse. Then you have the spins. You know, it has a maximum of 1,200 RPM. Those are rotations per minute. So from 400 to 1,200. Okay? Let's open and see. See, what you have here is a massive 8 kg drum inside here. Okay? And so now, here's the manual, the washing machine manual. Then here, these are very, very important because this one are the parts that you connect to the water source. You know, it also comes with a spanner, you know, depending on attaching. So this is very important. It is our connector. You connect with this to the water source. Then here is where you insert clothes. Oh, looks nice. And the space is big, yeah? It's big inside here. Because we're talking about 8 kgs. Yeah? We are talking about a massive 8 kg drum. Now, the Samsung front-load washing machine provides a 3-compartment dispenser. The left compartment for the main wash, the middle compartment for the fabric softener, and the right compartment for the preliminary wash. So this is the back side. The only important thing here is here you have the mains cable. So this one, the one you insert on your power source, and then you have this, the drain pipe. Yeah. So after you've washed all the dirty water, drains from this pipe. Transit bolts that come with your new washing machine are important as they keep the tab secure during a move and reduce the amount of vibration that could cause actual damage to the suspension. However, before you install your washing machine, you should make sure to remove all the shipping bolts. If you do not remove these transit bolts as instructed by the manufacturer, you risk damaging your new washing machine. Using your washer with the bolts intact can result in severe vibrations and noise, which can permanently damage your washer. Washing machines do come with a spanner to help you unfasten and remove the transit bolts. In my case, this is the kind of spanner that came with my washer. It is also helpful in case you need to adjust the stance to make your machine level so that it does not vibrate or make lots of noise. Armed with your spanner, now you just need to unfasten these transit bolts one by one. Washing machine. Moving them, it's advisable to keep them safe for use when you move or transport the washing machine in the future. The washer also comes with caps that you're supposed to use to cover those holes. So make sure to use those covers to cover those holes effectively. Before you do anything with this machine, it is recommended to run calibration. Now, calibration ensures accurate weight detection by the machine. That's why it's important when you're running this calibration, you run it without anything inside, so that it can detect the weight moving forward. So you switch off the power, then you switch on the power again. After that, you hold the temp and delay and key simultaneously for 3 seconds. After that, the machine enters the CB mode. You press the start-stop button. So you have to be patient. Let it just rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise, and it usually takes 3 minutes. Then after that, you will have calibrated your machine and your machine will be ready to use. So you start by switching on the machine. After that, you put in your detergent. Just enough for the wash. Then you also put in the softener. Just a little softener. Then you close the compartment and you proceed to open the drum. And to begin inserting the clothes. So you insert all the clothes that you want to do laundry. Once you're through, you just close the door. And now you come and select baby care. You see, it's going to take like 2 hours and 52 minutes to do the wash. Then you press start. And now, as you can hear, the machine is, it's taking in water. You can hear those sounds. And it will begin spinning in a moment. Okay, there we go. So we are doing the last 4 minutes of this wash cycle, the baby care cycle. And the machine is running so fast. but it's very stable. No vibration, no noise. And you see, if you want to achieve your machine to be stable when it's spinning so fast, you need to do calibration before you start using the machine. At the same time, you need to tighten the legs of the stands. Should I call them stands of the machine? That way the machine is so stable, so that even when it spins at high speeds, it does not make a lot of noise. It's so stable, so smooth, and very fast. Remember, we've already done the rings, the 4 rings. Now we're just spinning, and this it's doing at 1200 RPM, so fast. And we're just remaining with 2 minutes. It's just 2 minutes to finish this wash. As you can see, it's spinning at 1200 RPM. This is 1200 RPM, as you can see. So in 2 minutes time, we'll be through. We are in the last 1 minute. And the clothes look clean. You can just see through the tempered glass. The washes, that's excellent wash. The baby's clothes are very clean, as you can see. They're so clean. That's it, guys. You can hear the beep, and you see our laundry is ready. We've just completed the baby care full cycle wash using Samsung EcoBubble 8 kg front load washing machine. You can hear the beep. That signifies that the laundry is ready. So guys, now we just open the door and remove our clothes. As you can see, they are super clean. This machine is excellent at washing. Our clothes are clean now. And also they're almost dry, which is interesting. So we've come to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also, hit that notification bell so you get to know when I post more gadget videos. Until then, in the next one, bye bye.